Shandong Longtai Laser Equipment Company Limited was established in 2018 and is located in Shandong Province, Liaocheng High-Tech Development Zone. Shandong Longtai Laser is very professional senior laser machines and CNC routers manufacturer. We are professional for fiber laser cutting machine, tube auto feeding laser cutting machine, CO2 laser engraving cutting machine, laser marking machine, laser welding machine, CNC router, and we supports customized machines. The machines can be used widely for both metal materials and non-metal materials. Shandong Longtai Laser relies on first-class talents, advanced technologies, high-quality products, and scientific business conception. We have a very strong research team, professional in optical and computer hardware and software, with the independent intellectual property right. Since established, we have been always regarding products' quality as our life, R&D and innovation as the soul, markets demand as the guide, and customer satisfaction as the purpose. We have developed a variety of laser products for various fields. We have set up offices and agents in many domestic cities. We provide convenient after-sales services. Also, we have set up agents and service centers in foreign countries. Our products are exported to Europe, America, Africa, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and other regions. We provide remote technical support. We persist in the concept of quality is the most important. Service has no end. You are welcome to cooperate with us to attain your career's success.